Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to GeonLink. In this video I will show you how to center the Windows 10 taskbar icon position. To center Windows 10's taskbar icons, first right click on your taskbar and deselect lock the taskbar. Next, right click on the taskbar again, hover your mouse cursor over the Toolbars option and select links. You should now see links on the right side of the taskbar with two vertical lines on the left of it. Move your cursor over the two vertical lines and then click and drag links to the left side of the taskbar. It should snap to the right of the windows and search icons. Changing the location of links will also force your pinned icons to move to the right side of the taskbar. Use the two vertical lines next to your icons to click and drag them to the center of your taskbar. They will not snap to the center, so you will have to eyeball them. Next, right click on the taskbar and deselect Show Text and Show Title. Finally, right click on the taskbar one last time and select Lock the taskbar.